Ha?
Okay lang. Ano lang sa inyo? Bakit? Te, bili ka. Sunflower ang sasabi niya. Well.
Siyempre, para kita lahat. Hello guys. Welcome to my guys. Doon tayo sumakit sa double deck. Pwede maghintay. Okay. Hong Kong guys. Ayun, sana double deck. Init. Take off.
Ayan guys, nagkakabulo na sila. Unahan sa upuan. Meron pa?
Doon kayo sa harapan para
Ay, kayo ga.
panel guys. Panel. Ayan.
Mani, bili na kayo ng mani,
Ayan o, panel o.
Sa ilalim ba na
Ayan o, pupunta na kami ng ilalim. Sa ilalim na kami ng dagat.
Ay, we?
Ilalim na tayo ng dagat. Pagkabutas siya. Wala na yata memory. Wala na yata memory. Ganda nga eh. Parang 60 lang tayo eh. Welcome to Hong Kong. Hong Kong is life.
Pwede kakain na tayo.
Walang magkikita. After 20 years ba?
Nasaan sila lang?
Nasaan sila? Asa si mama mo?
Nag-CR.
So guys, pupunta kami ng Disneyland. Disneyland. Okay na. Say hi to me. Baba tayo. Alright guys, baba tayo guys. Mainit. Hindi ako takot mangitim. Sanay na ako. Sanay na ako. Sanay na akong umitim. Mainit to. Mainit. Punta kami sa Disneyland. Disneyland. Diba? Yo, yo, yo! Pupunta kami ng Disneyland. Ingit kayo. Pupunta kami ng Disneyland. Anak ako na CEO. May pang Disneyland ako. Anak ako na CEO. Ano ba to? High speed, ano? High speed ba to? Bullet train ba to? Trip to, ano? Trip to Philippines? Saan tayo? Ito pala. Oo. Dito tayo. Dito ka sa. Picture, may video na kayo. Nagugutom na tong isa kaya ganyan, no? Dahil nagugutom na to. Nasa ilalim ba tayo ng ano? Underground. Makita eh. Subway sa Disneyland. Welcome to Disneyland. Siyempre. Talaga yun. Saan tayo? Wala na akong may post. This is a work. Octopus. Di pasok yung octopus. Saan yun? na yung ano ko. Pasok kayo sa loob.
Do you hear that?
Pwede naman pumasok, di ba?
My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out.
Picture tayo.
On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling
Welcome to Disneyland Resort. Anak ako na CEO. Andito na ako ngayon sa Disneyland.
And make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a
picture
drink,
tayo.
I'll be the bartender.
Yeah.
I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. 'Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. We'll crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. 'Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. 'Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Uy, Joel! Uy, spicy
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
Kayo. Nasa Hong Kong kayo.
I really thought we might have been it. So my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't
Parang Makati
imagine
lang, no?
doing all that
Parang
again.
Makati lang.
Even for one night to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed. I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends,
Saan?
it ends.
Tingin nga tayo ng gulay.
When it ends, it ends.
Tayo palang gulay dito.
End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the
Malunggay,
ties, you burn the road.
Babalik pa ba tayo dito?
So don't
Mamaya?
let me see your name lighting on my phone. When it was you
Ito masarap po.
who let go
Sarap pala rito.
of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring
Pilipino,
When
ano?
you don't, when it
Malunggay.
accidents, when it accidents,
Magkano yung malunggay nyo, te?
I don't need room to
15.
get
Ano oras kayo sasara? 7? Sige, babalik na lang ako. Ingat muna. Balik tayo dito mamaya. Bili tayo ng malunggay. Wala na. Dami palang tinda ng mga ano rito, mga Pilipino, ano. Ito pala yung sinasabi nilang bilihan ng ano. Saan? Ayaw ng alin? Puro mga Filipino store dito pala. Ayun pala, may kainan pala dyan, oh. Ha? Pampasalubong na magnet? Tingin ka. Tingin ka, pampasalubong. Puro Filipino ano pala rito, ano? Ngayon lang ako nakapunta rito. Metro Remittance.
Hindi siya pumasok doon. Meron yan, ibang kulay. Dark blue?
Bibili ka?
Bibili ka? Bibili ka?
Bili na. May Metro Bank pala rito eh.
Ay, galing na.
Metro, ay may video rin dun eh. May video din eh.